The membrane keyboards are not always precise. When you press a button somewhere on a corner, not exactly at the center, it means it may not react. You press something but you are not 100% sure whether it was registered, and very often it does not get registered, and with age those membrane switches, they tend to lose the connectivity, and that is very annoying. You type something, you're never sure whether you made a typo or you haven't made a typo, so you always have to check. When I tried this one, guys, and this one, I mean, there is no way I'm coming back to this one ever. But of course, this keyboard has an advantage, and it's silence. So as you see, it's way more silent. It's way more silent than any mechanical keyboard.